If you liked Quixel Bridge, wait till I show you what Unreal Engine Marketplace is all about. It's a ginormous library of literally everything for Unreal Engine. You can access it through the Epic Games Launcher. Do it with me now. Open Epic Games Launcher. Then go to the Unreal Engine tab. Finally, open the Marketplace tab. Welcome to the endless world of Unreal Engine assets. To be honest with you, solely assets from the Unreal Engine Marketplace are enough to build a high-quality game single-handedly. Just look for yourself at all it has to offer us. The list is so long that it's hard to fit it even on my 32-inch screen. Please take some time to browse what the Marketplace has to offer. It is a good practice to simply know what tools and solutions are available so that you can utilize them if your project requires it. You can start doing it after the lecture. Again, please don't ignore this suggestion. I promise you'll discover wonderful things at the Marketplace that will certainly benefit your work in the future. For the purposes of this lecture, I will teach you how to get assets and how to import them into your Unreal Engine project. So let's open the free section. By the way, I suggest you visit the Unreal Marketplace as often as possible since some assets aren't free all the time. Don't miss your chance to grab tons of awesome assets while they are free. Note that anything you get from the Unreal Marketplace will be yours forever. You don't have to download anything to keep it. Merely getting anything from here is enough to keep it. You might or might not use it, but it will be available if you need it. Now let's go to the permanently free collection. To add something from the Unreal Marketplace, first you should choose what you want in your project. Why don't we grab this fantastic village pack for ourselves? If it's not visible in your marketplace, you can always search for it here. Now find it and open it. Since I already own this pack, I can add it directly to the project. You will have an Add to Cart button. Do it. Then go to your cart and click Checkout. After this, a button stating Add to Project will appear. Before you add something to your project, make sure the version of your Unreal Engine is supported. You should be using Unreal Engine version 5.3, so these assets should work fine. Click on Add to Project. Choose the project you are currently working with and click on this Add to Project button. The download will begin. Please pause the lecture until your download is completed. So once the download is completed, the Fantastic Village pack will appear in your content browser. Let's navigate to it. As you can see, a new folder appeared in our content folder. Let's open it. Usually the assets you get from Unreal Marketplace in form of a pack are well structured. I would still arrange everything in the folders I created the way I like it, but you can do this by the end of the lecture. I already said this, but please don't ignore organization of the files and folders in your content browser. At the moment, we are only interested in the meshes of this pack. Open the relevant folder, please. I will leave you be for now since you already know how to drag and drop an asset from the content browser to the viewport. I urge you to play around with these assets without me. If any asset you like lacks collisions, make sure to add them. Try to build a small world. If you like, you can post images of the world you create in the form of a question. I'll make sure to have a look and give you my opinion. This is it for this lecture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.